So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add a YouTube subscribe button to your video here on VN Video Editor. So once it's opened up where it says tap to add sticker/PIP, go ahead and select that, and then where it says insert, select elements. Once you're here, I want you to go to the main screen right here, and I want you to simply just to scroll down to where it says social media logo, and then it says social. So if you were to go ahead and view all right here, a bunch of different options, but if you wanted to add a subscribe button just like this, you can go ahead and add this. And if you wanted to put it, I don't know, make it a little bit smaller, put it in the top right, for example, you can do that. And if I were to go ahead and play the video right here, the YouTube subscribe button that I added is now inside of my video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add a YouTube subscribe button to your video on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.